सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी हमें।
उफ, ये मुहासे और त्वचा में नमी, दांतों में सड़न और आयोडीन की कमी।
Ads की चिक चिक, ads की get rid, ads की चू चू बंद। Ads की चिक चिक, ads की get rid, ads की चू चू बंद।
है किसकी साड़ी ज्यादा सफेद,
पर दोनों की प्लेलिस्ट में है एड्स का छेद। एड्स की चिक चिक, एड्स की गेट रिट, एड्स की चू चू बंद। एड्स की चिक चिक, एड्स की गेट रिट, एड्स की चू चू बंद। Spotify प्रीमियम एड्स की चिक चिक हटाए, चुटकी में असर दिखाए।
सामने ये कौन आया, दिल में हुई हलचल, देख के बस एक ही झलक हो गए हम पागल। जिंदगी एक सफर है
सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना।
नेटवर्क बंद, पापा चालू। प्रज्ञा, कुछ कर ना।
अरे गाना खत्म और ऐड चालू।
प्रज्ञा, कुछ
कर दिया। फैमिली प्लान लिया और सबको अपना अकाउंट दिया। माँ, सिर्फ 199 per month.
Spotify Premium Family Plan. Downloadable ad-free music on 6 personal accounts. Only 199 per month.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा।
मैडम, इनका जोश देखकर ये सॉन्ग याद आ गया।
दिल फिल्मी तो सुनो फिल्मी on Spotify, क्योंकि यहाँ है लाखों फिल्मी सॉन्ग्स। तो Spotify सुनते जा, डाउनलोड फॉर फ्री।
Spotify Premium lets you play music ad-free.
चुप हो जा सातवीं फेल, चुप।
Every single time. अब आपने तो ले ही लिया होगा।
चुप, चुप, बिल्कुल चुप।
With Spotify Premium, listen to high-quality music in any and every place and get premium today starting at only 119 per month.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई, क्या तकलीफ है इनको।
तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए। ऐसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ।
बॉस, आज रात तो यही बजेगा।
आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, आज की
दिल फिल्मी तो सुनो फिल्मी on Spotify, क्योंकि यहाँ है लाखों फिल्मी सॉन्ग्स। तो Spotify सुनते जा, डाउनलोड फॉर फ्री।
Good morning. How was Tinku's birthday yesterday?
बहुत अच्छा था. Now take a look at my walls. Look at how pretty they look. All the guests yesterday, they were all busy complimenting my walls. And they are very freshly painted. So look at how awesome and amazing they look. Look at it.
The weather today is so pretty. Really.
Henna, the weather is also complimenting my walls today.
And it's beaming so brightly, right?
नहीं, I meant the sprinkling rain.
कहाँ rain?
यहाँ तो हो रहा है rain.
Well, I guess your paints isn't waterproof enough, while my Asian Paints is.
Asian Paints keeps unwanted people and water in their place.
What a long day. Hello, we are Huckab and my name is Bubbly and I am lovely.
My name is Rinky and music flows through my veins.
I am Ron. Music is my passion. Now we'll play. 3, 2, 1.
लेकिन कुसूर का जजीरा दिल ना पाए बेकी करा बेकी करा
Asian Paints removes bacterial music and bacteria.
Let's play cricket, guys. Let's play. अभी go for the bat first. ठीक है, मेरा बैट है. और तनी बोल रहा है. अरे क्या कर रहा है? माय बैट है. अरे भाई क्या कर रहा है? आज मेरा बैट है. स्टार्ट द मैच. चल देखते हैं. What is this? Try ball. Acha, listen. This is my thing. Pappu bhaiya ka Pappu special tonic I will give you. Then you say you want to play. I will see that. Okay. Sit. You now sit. I am giving you Pappu special tonic. Give me tonic. Okay. Let's go. जी सुबह का फ्रेश माल. अच्छा. टॉनिक जल्दी निकालिए. टॉनिक क्या होता है? अरे टॉनिक नहीं पता आपको, नया माल आया ना. अरे स्टिंग ड्रिंक. हाँ स्टिंग निकालिए फटाफट से. स्टिंग निकालिए. अरे ये ना भैया कितना को लगेगा? कार्टून ले ले. पैसा तो दो. पैसा आपको बाद में पूरा. चल लेट्स प्ले. आई वोंट प्ले विद देम. इट्स माय बैट. आई वोंट गिव. ये मेरा बैट है. तुम लोग खेलने अपना बैटिंग कर लो. जब तक मेरे को बैटिंग नहीं मिलता हम बैट देगा नहीं तुम लोग खेलने के लिए. बस तुम लोग अपना बैट खरीद लो. सिंपल. मेक इट क्लियर. टेक रौनक. पप्पू स्पेशल टॉनिक ड्रिंक. व्हाट सॉरी वेरी सॉरी. टेक यू ड्रिंक दिस. बहुत मजा आएगा भाई. पी के देख भाई. पी के देख. हम बता रहे बहुत मजा आएगा. आराम भी ना एनर्जी. Hey guys.
अरे स्टिंग होता स्टिंग गवा.
Is the reason for our
Sting re-energize, revitalize, recharge in a new 250 ml bottle at ₹20 only. Available at your nearest store. Stay never ending energy.
So we'll come back with some breaking news right after a short break.
अब कब्ज की बीमारी पे जब मिलेंगे -50% ऑफ एक्सक्लूडिंग GST, तो कौन सा शौक पूरा करेंगे आप? Poop easy, take it easy, poop easily, all the day, nobody will ever come on your way. Farm easy, will take all your money away.
हम SBI से हैं and you sir you are the loan defaulter.
अबे कौन है यार? भाड़ में जाएंगे. So anyways, we say poop easy, take it easy, poop easy, take it easy, poop easy. Download the Farm Easy app, upload prescription. नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, and get -50% off on all medicines delivered right at your doorstep within just a month of ordering.
मेरी तबीयत इतनी खराब है
और तुम भी इतनी दूर हो। अब सब ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है।
वही, काश जैसे हम ऑनलाइन खाना और लड़के ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं वैसे मेडिसिन भी कर पाते।
हाँ वही। एक सेकंड क्या?
आप चिंता मत कीजिए, वी हैव गॉट यू सॉर्टेड।
कुछ भी।
जी हाँ, मम्मी कसम। डाई इजी, टेक इट इजी, डाई इजी। अब फार्मेसी पे जाइए और ऑर्डर कीजिए अपना फेवरेट बर्गर। ओह, अरे हाँ, वही मेडिसिन। फार्मेसी पे सब मिलेगा, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ मेडिसिनल डिवाइसेस एंड ड्रग्स।
Did somebody say cats?
Wait a minute.
Meanwhile,
मुझे मेडिसिन दो, मुझे मेडिसिन दो, मुझे लाइसोल दो, कैल्पोल दो, क्रोसिन दो, इंसुलिन दो।
Tonto lupto gupto poribar. No, this is no fictional family. They really are one which lost all its teeth. With grandma gone along with everyone's teeth, Dadu had a really hard time managing the family. Everyone seemed crestfallen, and all he could do was,
All will be fine one day. Don't worry.
just look at him. He used to love chewing fried neem leaves, you know, but all he could do is gnash his gums and be sad.
At least I have Colgate Neem Shakti to get the flavor.
Quite the same case with his elder son and his wife.
Eat your food!
Yeah, that's all he can eat. And worse, not only has his teeth gone, his sense of salt has vanished too. On the other hand, he has high blood pressure.
At least I have Colgate Active Salt to eat all the salt I want. Yum.
My heart pains for this young man. No one wants to marry him just for no teeth. Can you imagine?
I mean, look at this body that I'm maintaining in the constant use of Colgate Red Shakti. But no, all they care about are these teeth.
The family would have been perfectly happy had it not been for their loss of teeth and garbled speech. But suddenly one day,
Oh my knees. Yes, future Colgate has sent me with this. Colgate Grandmaster toothpaste that solves all of your problems and even grows teeth.
very suspicious. After a lot of survey by all the members of the family, all 4 of them started rubbing their gums with that. And then
Colgate Grandmaster toothpaste is unbelievable. It grew up my family's teeth. And it is white shiny and super strong. It is an amazing product.
finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The party started in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's made.
Dad, what have I done? Can you please take the blame for me? Are you nuts? Your mother will chop me into pieces.
What happened?
Rohan, I'll cut it from your pocket money.
But haven't you all heard of Fevikwik? It costs just 10 rupees and can fix anything and everything in a matter of seconds.
From your pocket money. But Dad, what will you do with just 10 rupees? Are you out of your mind? It's not more than 10 rupees. But Dad, haven't you heard of Fevikwik? It just costs 10 rupees and can fix anything in just under a second. Oh, old age must have gotten me.
Come for food.
Why am I responsible for their well-being when it clearly isn't my job?
I absolutely agree with you. I have to constantly keep checking up on them so they don't end up eating dirt.
Well, ma'am, if you have me in your house, you can make sure that no germ can ever reach your child. I am made up of so many chemicals that I don't know how any of them work, but it is guaranteed to kill 99.9% germs in just 10 seconds.
But what about the 0.1% germs that stay alive? Why are you so kind to them?
I'm sorry, I wasn't really taught about that during our training.
Now I'm here to tell you how it's scientifically proven that if you don't buy Lifebuoy, then your life will be ruined. And it kills 99.9% of the germs, but is very kind and considered to 0.1%. However, a word of caution, I'm not an actual doctor. Actually, this job is way below the pay grade of a doctor. That's why they got a college dropout like me to do it. Anyway, bye Lifebuoy and stay safe.
Lifebuoy!
अपना समय और पैसा दोनों बचाएं और त्रिवागो पर अपना मनचाहा होटल किफ़ायती दाम में पाएं।
त्रिवागो? Oh my gosh! Hello, Paribha. You have grown so big. You know, the last time that I saw you, you were very little, like very, very small.
Who have you been texting so much, beta? A boy? Now we'll be getting to spend a lot of time too, since Guddu's wedding is coming in 2 months.
Oh my
God! 2 months?
Acha Padi beta, I wanted to ask you, have you decided what you will take in 11 and 12?
Yes, Auntie. Definitely humanities.
What did you say, beta? You will take humanities? I thought that you will take science or commerce like your, father and brother, and, not humanities. Because if you take, science or commerce, you will get to buy things like real diamonds and all.
क्या आपने कभी ऑनलाइन जहर सर्च किया है?
Such a big house, beta, but your AC is not working. Does Papa not pay the bills?
क्या आपने कभी ऑनलाइन होटल सर्च किया है?
क्या आपके रिलेटिव्स भी आपकी लव लाइफ में इंटरफेयर करके आपके ब्लश करने का रीजन पूछते हैं? क्या आप अपने रिलेटिव्स को घर से हटाकर होटल भेजने का तरीका ढूंढ रहे हैं? बंद करें अपने आप को तंग करना, या अपना ये काम ट्रिवागो को करने दें। उनको रेकमेंड कीजिए ट्रिवागो होटल्स।
Pari, on your phone the whole day, na? When your father was of your age, na, he used to study all the time. Tops, tablets, this, that, and you keep on partying, going out here and there. You don't study at all. You all just keep wasting your time. We used to study the whole day and get very good marks and everything. I don't know why you children are like this.
उफ, इतना कंपैरिजन।
जैसे आपके रिलेटिव्स आपको दूसरों के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, वैसे ही ट्रिवागो 100 डिफरेंट एप्स और वेबसाइट्स को एक दूसरे के साथ कंपेयर करता है, मेकिंग इट इजियर फॉर यू टू चूज योर बेस्ट होटल। इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट।
आंटी, ये घर है, ना कि कोई होटल।
What will I do? I have
so many clothes, so many bags, so many jewelry, so many shoes. I have so many too. Wasn't she talking about some hotel website? Trivago.
Hotel Trivago.
Wow, life was finally paid off. I am getting the promotion that I've always wanted. I just wanna dance.
Balama.
Hi, this is Jency. The list page me. Oh, did you get straight? Foolish girl. From where did you get that furniture?
Just a furniture house.
That's so bad. That's the ugliest furniture I've ever seen. Chee, chee, chee.
Do you have a solution?
Of course I do, girl. I'm a genie. Anyway, lights, camera, action.
If you want to have your house designed at ease, we are your wish granters. Ring us up, please, at Interior Decorations. We call ourselves Live Space. We call ourselves Live Space.
Okay, wow, thank you so much. Now I can actually dance without bumping into objects and almost killing myself.
Honey, where's the old blue sari I had? Oh, that one. I sold it at Rolex. My parents had given me that. You should have asked me once before selling off.
This is Mr. Bobby. Selling things on OLX is his hobby. A great way of side income.
Dad, where is the old laptop that mom gifted us? We did not find it. Ah, that one. I sold it on OLX. Do you know how much money I got? But Dad, we had so many memories attached to it. And then how did you find about OLX? Ah, Mrs. Sharma told me about it. Why keep old things at home? We should dispose it off and earn money from it.
you? Why are you taking pictures of an old hand grinder?
This? I sold an OLX. Someone will come and take it tomorrow. As it is, you don't use it.
What?
Mr. Bobby doesn't really care about whose things he is selling.
Where is my old bag? Where are my old dresses? Where did the microwave go? No, this cannot go on.
This chair looks nice. Let me sell it on OLX. What? Isn't this my picture? Why is it on OLX? And the seller's name is something like my wife's name. Wife!
Come in! My dear old husband, did you say that all things should be disposed and earned money? Look, you have been categorized as one of the most valuable products on OLX.
My dear wife, this is what I had been planning for with the money I earned in OLX. Happy anniversary, my dear. You know what? I got this one from OLX only.
OLX, sell away troubles and buy happiness.
So boring. Is anybody watching me? Let me grab a bite then. I feel I should keep ignoring her. She's not stopping. I mean, she's my best friend, so I should share with her, I guess. But I have to make this last the whole period.
Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Oh my god, there are so many sums left. I don't know when will I complete. I need to be first in class anyhow. Pass. What is this?
What?
What's wrong with you? I said pass.
Oh yeah.
What? Right.
Are you for eating in my class? Stand up! Are you hiding? Give it to me. Give it to me. But ma'am, no. No, ma'am. Out. Out of my class. All three of you out of my class. Now.
Hooligans.
Finally, I'll be able to eat Snickers today. Principal ma'am, bad timing. Good afternoon, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I'm coming to your office. I'm coming. Ma'am? 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 Hey kids, have you seen Principal ma'am?
Finally some time away from those papers. Oh, wait. Maybe we should have an arcade in school. Maybe we should all go for a school trip and take a break. Maybe we should...
Been looking for you in the entire school.
Okay, code red. Okay, act normal. Act normal. Yeah, wipe the chocolate. Yeah, breathe. Just breathe. Relax. Wish her.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's afternoon, stupid!
This is Mr. Kalpareshu Kishore Kabadiwala. At the age of 12, he learned how to ride a bike. By the age of 14, he had already stabbed a cheetah all by himself. And this is Mr. Kabadiwala's granddaughter. She takes sleeping pills, is diabetic, and constantly has gastric problems. By profession, other than a disgrace to her ancestors, she is a journalist. To keep herself and her intestines alive, she must use this.
And today, Kritika Bariwala, journalist, has gathered here in this debate hall on India's best ever news channel with many people in order to discuss the current uprising, the Inu challenge.
Good evening and welcome to the country's greatest debate show. Tonight our panelists are in proposition Lang Byang Diki, employee at Ambusha Cement and professional time waster. In the opposition we have N.K. Mishra, founder of SAJP, Stay Asleep, Janata Party, and of course Manvi Kulkarni, activist by choice and quarrelsome by blood. In light of the recent happenings that have taken place in the country, the Eno challenge by a group of people later identified to be Ms. Mishra's SAJP's members. Let's see the following footage to understand better. Now, Ms. Mishra, did you just see what your party members have done in the name of a challenge on social media and TikTok?
Yes. First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me to this show. Now, let me clearly say that my party...
No, Miss Mishra, do not patronize me. Do not patronize me, Miss Mishra.
Let me speak. Yes, this challenge is horrible and my sympathies go out to those who have fallen victim. Hey, sympathies. However, I must mention that my party is not fully responsible for the wrongdoings of a group of people.
Why are you making sense? Miss Mishra, you are once again woefully unprepared. Lang Byang Diki, what do you have to say about this?
How dare you say that? How can you not hold yourself accountable? You are the leader. No. This challenge is made up. Capitalist approach causing harm to this society. It is from Western. Yes, outside influence. I completely blame Eno for wrecking this chaos into our beloved country. It is not our fault at all. I am completely come for justice. Mishra, it is not Eno's fault. Your own party members have started this trend. It is very misleading. You cannot blame it on me. Eno is useless. It does nothing properly. Then why is my mother's homemade Eno cake so yummy, huh? Why? Yes, ma. Oh, the cake is done. Yes. Yeah, no problem. I'm coming.
Excuse me, sit down. Sit down. This is national television. Lang Byang Diki, sit down. Statue!
You don't talk. You have gastric problem.
See how she is having Eno now? Why is she drinking Eno now? What?
Next. ಒಂದೇ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ವಡೆ ಬೋಂಡ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಉಪ್ಮಾ ಬೂರಿ ವಡಾ ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಪೂರಿ ವಡೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಅದು
ಇಡ್ಲಿ ವಡೆ ಪೊಂಡ ಉಪ್ಮಾ ಅಪ್ಪಂ ಸೇವೈ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಪೂರಿ ದೋಸೆ ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಆನಿಯನ್ ರೋಸ್ ನೈ ರೋಸ್ ಪೆಪರ್
ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ನಾಲ್ಕೈ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಾಡ ಸೈಮೈ
Next. So, namaste, sir. Crown, Lucifer, Money Heist, Witcher, Sacred Games, Breaking Bad.
Hey! Next. नमस्ते सर। क्राउन, लूसीफर, मनी हाइस्ट, फैमिली मैन, मिर्जापुर, पताल।
Oh, prime interview straight left. Next.
सर क्राउन, मनी हाइस्ट, लूसीफर, Crown, Lucifer, Money Heist, Coda Factory, Stranger Things, Cobra Kai, House of Cards, Breaking Bad.
Who are you? Come on. What's this? No, it's just water. No. Stay there. So, what's your last wish?
Could you just tell me the score?
What?
The score.
KKR batting, 94 for 2.
Is Pat Cummins playing today?
No, he's not.
Hush. Power point निकालो.
Points?
अरे Dream 11. Forget it. Just kill me already.
Whatever you want, man. One second. ये मैं कर लेता हूँ, आप जाके मर्डर कर लीजिए। ओ सॉरी, ये मैं कर लेता हूँ, आप जाके ड्रीम 11 पे टीम बनाइए।